Relying on the same old indicators everyone else uses? What if you could create a custom trend indicator that's unique to your strategy and fits your trading style perfectly? In this video, I'll show you how to design a trend indicator step-by-step in TradingView using PineScript. And the best part? It's simple, beginner-friendly, and completely customizable. By the end of this video, you'll have a working indicator that not only shows market trends, but can also give you alerts when the trend shifts. Let's dive in. Before we jump into coding, let's quickly talk about what a trend indicator does and why it's essential for traders. Trend indicators help identify whether the market is moving upward, downward, or sideways. Popular examples include moving averages, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. When you build your own indicator, you're not limited by the defaults. You can tweak it to your liking and make it work for your strategy, not the other way around. Now that we know what we're aiming for, let's bring it to life. Head over to TradingView, open any chart, and click the Pine Editor tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where we'll write our script. Begin with a simple framework for the indicator. Here, we're defining the version of PineScript and giving our indicator a name. The overlay equals true part ensures it shows directly on the chart. Define two moving averages. We're calculating a 20-period short moving average and a 50-period long moving average. These will act as our trend signals. Plot the moving averages on the chart. Blue represents the short-term trend, and red represents the long-term trend. You'll see them appear on your chart immediately. Highlight when trends shift with background colors. Here, the background turns green when the short-term trend is above the long-term trend, indicating bullish momentum, and red when it's bearish. Add alerts to notify you of trend changes. These alerts ensure you never miss a shift in the market. Once the script is saved and added to the chart, you'll see the moving averages and background colors in action. Let's test it on different assets and timeframes. Adjust the moving average periods to match different trading styles, e.g., scalping versus swing trading. What do you think of this custom trend indicator? Try it out and share your results in the comments. I'd love to see how you make it your own. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more trading content, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.